We haven't lost in 3 weeks, bro. 3 whole weeks. We haven't lost a single freaking trade, bro. Yeah, you guys, you need to understand, this shit is fucking life-changing, bro. Look back at my Instagram. I'm up like... What am I even up? I don't even fucking know. I need to look back at my journal. And I need to take probably like 2 more trades on my Apexes, and then I should be able to take a payout. I like to get paid at around 53-ish. Maybe I get a little bit above 53, but I like to give myself about $1,000 cushion so I could lose like 6 trades in a row. Even though I rarely lose 2 in a row. Yeah, Apex I usually risk lower on just because they don't like you necessarily hitting 7, 8 Rs. So I like to keep it between 2 and 3. And then after 3 payouts with Apex on all the accounts, I don't have a consistency rule anymore that I need to follow, or a minimum or a max payout threshold. I could take out more than 2K a month from these 50Ks after the 3rd payout, which is awesome. So, and it's month by month, by the way. It's 3 months of payouts. So regardless if you get 1 payout or 2 payouts for the month, it's 3 months since you got the account. So you need to have, your account needs to have at least over 100 trading days on it, at least, for your accounts to be eligible for the no consistency and the no maximum payout thresholds. Just educating you guys a little bit on Apex. They're a great firm if you follow the rules correctly. Dude, coming into the day, man, oh my goodness. So this was the opening price right here. I wasn't even awake for the open. I woke up like probably 10 minutes after open. And I woke up at around, and this time and saw this. So in the open, we literally just shoot down and then run this low here, right? We have a mitigation right here that we tap into as well. What can we notice about ES? Well, ES came down and souped this low. So we have a fat ass SMT at the bottom here. And then what else can we notice? This candle here, what is it, 945? Okay. Yeah, so this sell off here to take out this low inside that 1 minute mitigation was your just a random manipulation to then just go into a chop mode. So as you can see, we retest the new day opening gap right here on this move down in the morning into that mitigation. And then as you can see as well, right, we took this low here and then this was the SMT low, right? So that's what I was looking at in the morning. At that point, obviously I was long, more long bullet or long bias, you know, because we have the 930 opening price here. There was nothing really clear to take. If you had this inversion, if you took that, you got cooked. Unless you went break even at this high, you know, tried shorting that, you got cooked. I mean, notice what happens again, bro. We run this high, and now we have another bear. We have a bullish SMT here, and then we have a bearish SMT at the highs. And we run lower again. What do? We SMT again, come into mitigation, and then we run higher again. So technically, this move down here, this box right here, by the way, yeah, this box was this 30-minute wick. So I wanted to see this and kind of use this as my support level to see if we wanted to stay above this level here, or if we wanted to trade lower, you know, down to London lows or whatever. But I mean, dude, this looked like just a classic run up on London. Usually you'd expect an AM reversal, but it's a Friday. So the weekly candle is going to finish off somewhere in the top portion of the range. It might get a slight retracement, TGIF, but for the most part, you're not really going to get a clean move. I mean, just look at the 30-minute chart, bro. It's disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. Obviously, we have that 30-minute wick that I marked. We run up SMT, come down, tap the wick, and then we had the SMT, no rejection block. And then we run up, we take these highs that were initially SMT'd, and then now at this point, we have an SMT at this high. And now there's just nothing here. It just chops, respects this 2-minute, sells off, still nothing to take, bro. If you're looking for trades in here, you're just desperate. Like, even though this was a more efficient move, in a sense, like, it had volume to it, and, you know, this went 40 some odd points or something like that. Yeah, about 40 points down to that, this area. Even though it went 40 some odd points, look at the one I took, right? This was, you know, 30 points, but it followed, first of all, my trading plan, my strategy, and everything else that went with it. So it made complete sense, right? I know for a fact, just from experience, that PMs on Friday usually aren't the best. And when did this PM start, right? Well, this is lunch. PM starts at 1:30. We start in literally, 12 minutes. Seeing this at this specific time at 11 o'clock. So this hourly candle, we open, we manipulate barely lower, and then shoot up and then create a bearish SMT with this hourly high. And this hourly high taken, what do we notice too? We have the New York AM highs right, like literally right above it, or right below this high. if we go on a higher time frame, these are the New York AM or the New York lunch highs from yesterday. So we took out 2 levels of time-based liquidity, and then what happens? We straight up just displace in the opposite direction. And we're also in a price-based premium. Okay, perfect. We have a 2-minute fair value gap right here. We inverse it. We get a little bit of a run lower, but it's still valid because we still have equal lows and we still have valid swing lows that have not been taken. I get a fill like right after it just comes up a little bit, so about right there. I take partials at the equal lows and then leave a runner to this 11 AM low down here. And then now we're just expanding in the other direction. So, you know, a valid target is, if you notice back on the 30-minute, notice how we keep coming down to this wick and respecting it, right? We had the first push down at 10:30, another push down, another push down, another push down. So my target could have been this as well. But I just decided not to have that as my target. Crazy fucking week, dude. Yeah, I'll leave you guys here with that. Enjoy your weekend. I hope you have a great weekend, and please be safe and don't do anything fucking stupid. And lock yourself in for next week because I believe we have a pretty good week ahead of us. So, see you guys next week. Adios.